Hey guys, I'm gonna do a video of me sneezing because my friend Levi dared me to. So yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna take a napkin and twist it until it's like a stick. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to twist it and stick it up my nose until I sneeze. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be crying because I just cry. And I'm going to be making these weird noises because it tickles. So yeah, okay. Nope. I didn't sneeze. I didn't sneeze. I hate this. Oh my god, I'm so weird. Okay, I'm gonna try the other nose because I'm gonna start crying with my left nose. So, ew! Ew, it fell on me. Okay. Okay. Oh god, it tickles even more. Nope, it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, I don't care if I look retarded because I'll just look retarded anyways. Dang it! Okay. It didn't work! Okay. Oh my god. No, it's not working. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stop now. Okay, bye. It's not gonna work.